Good morning, dear students. And I am taking revision from chapters. And yesterday I have taken revision from chapter 3 other uses of plant. And today I will take revision from chapter 1. And name of the chapter 1 is the different types of plants. Name of the chapter 1 is the different types of plants. So as we know that plants vary in size. Some plants are big, some plants are small, and others are too small. So some plants grow up to a nominal height only, and many coil around the support while they grow, and other creeps along the ground or grow straight with some support. So let us study about different types of plants. Trees. Trees are plants that are tall and big, and they live for many years. And a tree has one hardwood stem which looks like a pillar and called the trunk. And most trees have thick woody branches. Example, neem, banyan, mango are examples of the tall and big trees. So as we know that trees are tall plants and with branches, and they live for many years, not for short period of time. They live for many years. And example of the trees are neem, banyan and mango are examples. And some trees do not have very thick stems. They grow to comparatively small heights. And apple, oranges, guava, pear are examples of such trees. And some trees however have no branches. And a coconut tree is a example of such type of branchless tree. And next one is the shrubs. What is the shrubs? Shrubs are the medium sized plants. As we know, shrubs are the medium sized plants, and they have thin branches. But branches are thin and thinner twigs, and the branches start from the base of the stem. And shrubs have a shorter span of life than trees. Hibiscus, lemon, jasmine, bougainvillea, cotton are some examples of shrubs. And herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft stems, and their thin stems are full of leaves around them. Herbs live for a short period of time, and they may live for 1 or 2 seasons only. And most seasonal flowers and vegetables are herbs. And some common examples are mint, coriander, etc. And grasses and water plants are also herbs. So what is the herbs? Herbs are the small plants with soft stem, and thin stem are full of leaves around them. And as we know that herbs live very short period of time, and they may live 1 or 2 seasons only, not for many years. And more seasonal and flowers and vegetables are herbs. And grasses and water plants are also herbs. And wheat and rice are examples of some grasses. Lotus and water lily are example of some water plants. Creepers. What is the creepers? Creepers are plants that have weak stems. These stems cannot hold themselves erect. They grow keeping along the ground. And example, melons, watermelons, pumpkins, gourds and cucumber are some examples of creepers. What is the creepers? Are the plant, they have weak stems, and these stems cannot hold themselves erect, and they grow creeping along the ground. Example is the melons, watermelons, pumpkins, gourd and cucumber are examples of the creepers. And what is the climbers? Climbers are weak stemmed plants. And they grow straight with some support. They grow but with some support. They may climb up, erect or twine around the support. And example, grapevine, they are growing but they are grow with some support because their stems are very weak. grapevine, pea, money plant and bean are some common climbers. And green plants make their own food. As we know that green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Green plants make their own food, and they are called the autotrophs. And green plants make their own food in their leaves, and leaves need sunlight, air and water to make food. So there are different types of plants. And plants are of different shapes and size, like trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers. And very big plants are called the trees. Those plants are big, they are called the trees. And medium sized bushy plants are called the shrubs, and very small plants are called the herbs. And plants that need support to grow erect are called the climbers. Plants that need to support to grow erect are called the climbers. More to know, the banana plant is not a tree. Banana plant is not a tree. It is a herb, as it has a soft green stem. It is the tallest herb. And cactus is a desert plant. And worksheet, fill in the blanks. You will see a tree has thick pillar like stems called the trunk. A tree has thick pillar like stems are called the trunk. And a coconut tree has no branches. A coconut tree has no branches. A coconut tree has no branch. Shrubs are the medium sized bushy plants. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. And climbers need some support to grow straight. Climbers need some support to grow straight. And second one is the tick the right word. The banyan is a tree, and the coconut, the neem tree has branches, and the grass is very small plant. The grass is very small plant. And the watermelon plant is a creeper. And green plants make their food in their leaves. And name the type of the plant. So gourd, creeper, and lotus, herb, and then banyan tree, and guava tree, money plant, climbers, and hibiscus, shrubs. So which type of plants live for many years? Trees are live for many years. How long do herbs live? Herbs live very short period of time. And which type of plant have branches that start from the base of the stem? Shrubs have branches that start from the base of the stem. And what are pillar like woody stems of trees called? That is the trunk. And why do climbers need some support? Because their stems are very weak. That's why they need some support, and without support they are not growing. So this is all about chapter 2 times I think I have taken revision of this chapter also, chapter 1, and I think two times all chapters revision completed. And now what you will do, I will give you some few questions from each chapter, and just like test I will give you some questions, and then you have to write. And this one is you have to write in the rough copy, and you will learn accordingly. And this is your homework. You will learn chapter 1 question and answers. Chapter 1, all the exercises what is given in the chapter 1 you will learn, and after that you will write in rough copy. So what is the exercises given